Okay, so on Friday we were told that we were supposed to get a week of ice and snow and power outages. So I put my backdrop up. I sent a week's worth of papers home with my students just in case. I brought home some money and some games that we play, so we can do that online. I brought Haggerty, of course. My Sea and Stars word cards. We do Sea and Stars, Linda Mubel, and my letter cards review, so we can do those online. Some books, of course, that we're going to do next week, and time and money, because that's what we're working on currently in math. But I needed a chartboard and a whiteboard, of course, and this is my setup for the week. And I recorded all my lessons because power outages, you can't do live lessons, so that's what